We've done the Disney Fish Extender gift exchange more than once, and we had a great time. And we probably are never doing it again. Let me explain. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jess of OKS Family Travels, and I'm also a travel agent who specializes in Disney and cruise vacations. If you are returning, you already know that I love Disney cruising. I love planning, I love the packing cubes, I love a capsule wardrobe moment, I love a sail away party. But today we're going to talk about something that might be a hot take in the cruise community, fish extenders. Now, before anyone panics, this is not a rant. This is not a dramatic breakup video. This is more of a it's not you, it's me, but also it might be a little you conversation. Because here's the thing. We had a genuinely good time every time we participated. The kids loved checking the pockets. I loved making the gifts. It felt festive and community building and very Disney. And still, I think we're done. I mean, kind of. So if you're considering doing Fish Extender for your next cruise, or you are wondering if it's worth it, or you're trying to decide if you should sign up, here's my 2 cents. If you click this video and do not know what a fish extender is, first of all, welcome. You're about to learn something very niche. On Disney Cruise Line, outside every stateroom door, there's a little metal clip. Cruisers hang a multi-pocket organizer from it, and that's called a fish extender pocket or fish extender holder. Before their cruise, families join gift exchange groups before sailing and deliver small gifts to pre-assigned cabins, fish extender pockets, once they are on board. It's adorable, it is crafty, it is heartwarming, and also a commitment. So why are we not doing it on our next cruise? Let's start with the biggest reason. I like to travel light. And by light, I mean light as one can travel when boarding a floating resort with formal night, pirate night, palo brunch, themed outfits, matching shirts, and approximately 17 pairs of undies that I am sure I will wear. Even without fish extenders, cruising is a packing event. Now add multiple small gifts per family plus multiple families, bags to organize them, the extender itself, and the pixie dust gifts because in for a penny, in for a pound, I guess. It adds up. The last time we did fish extenders, I remember zipping the suitcase and thinking, this feels excessive. I have reached an era in life where I value ease. I want less stuff. I want less schlepping. I want to glide onto the ship like a relaxed cruise goddess, not stagger on like a Sherpa. Traveling lighter just makes the whole experience smoother. And the fish extender thing, as lovely as it is not light. When my kids were little, the fish extender was magical. They loved everything. Stickers, amazing. Glow sticks, treasure. A tiny notepad with Ariel on it, best day ever. But now, they have opinions, very specific opinions. They have favorite characters that are unique and rare and not generally found on things at Dollar Tree or Daiso or even the Disney store. They do not want generic princess items. They do not want random toys. They definitely do not want something that feels little kid. And that makes gifting harder for other families. I started to feel like I was setting everyone up for stress. And the truth is, when kids get older, the novelty changes. They still love the idea of the exchange, but the items themselves are less universally exciting. Which leads me to, if you know, you know. Pixie dusting is when you secretly give a little gift to another family just to spread joy. No exchange required. It is spontaneous and sweet and feels very Disney. Last cruise, after fish extender deliveries were done, we realized we had quite a few items that were just not fit for our family. Not bad gifts or thoughtless ones, just not us. So we pixie dusted them to other families, which felt wonderful and was a fun activity on our sea day. But it also made me realize something. If we're redistributing a noticeable portion of what we receive, maybe the structured exchange is not the best fit for us anymore. And I do not say that critically. That's just reality when kids grow and preferences narrow. On the surface, fish extenders feel simple. Sign up, bring gifts, deliver gifts, done. But in practice, you're coordinating ahead of time, you're making or buying multiple items per stateroom, you're organizing deliveries around dinner, shows, excursions, and pool time. You're trying to be stealthy in narrow hallways at 10 p.m. It's not stressful exactly, but it is a thing. And on vacation, I'm slowly becoming allergic to extra things. The structure of Fish Extender removes a bit of spontaneity, and I think I'm at a place where spontaneity sounds more fun. This is important. I love the concept of the Fish Extender gift exchange. I love the community. I love the creativity. I love seeing doors decorated. I love how excited people get about planning their gifts. It's peak Disney energy in the best way. But loving the idea and wanting to participate are two different things. Sometimes we're allowed to admire something and not do it. That is growth or aging or possibly both. Pixie dusting gives us everything we love about fish extenders without most of the work. We can bring a small bag of fun little items and stroll hallways when we want, gifting wherever we feel called to. No spreadsheets, no assigned rooms, no delivery schedule, just spontaneous fun. And honestly, that feels more aligned with how we cruise now. I want to be very clear. If you love fish extenders, do it. Embrace it. Go all in. Make custom tumblers. Cricket your heart out. There is something genuinely special about it. This is just about knowing your current cruising style. When our kids were younger, it was perfect. Now, we want lighter suitcases and fewer commitments, and that's okay. Who should do fish extenders? If you have younger kids, love crafting or gift shopping, enjoy pre-cruise planning, don't mind packing extra stuff, and thrive on organized fun, you'll probably adore it. If you value simplicity, prefer flexibility, have teens with niche interests, or just want less stuff, you might find pixie dusting more your speed or just sitting out this tradition. The Fish Extender gift exchange was a beautiful chapter for us. The kids ran down the hallway to check pockets like it was Christmas morning and loved so many of the thoughtful gifts we received. I would not trade those moments. But I also will not trade my ability to zip a suitcase without sitting on it. So for now, we're officially in our travel light, pixie dust freely era. And that feels right. If you've done fish extenders, I would love to hear your experience. Are you still doing it? Did you retire like us? Are you a pixie dust purist, or do you just stay out of the whole thing? Tell me in the comments. If this helped you decide whether to sign up for FEs on your next cruise, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you love honest Disney cruise talk with a little humor and zero glitter glue pressure, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.